As with the first two checkpoints, this is just again a quick summary of what you're going to be doing. For this first background notes on Ed Gein, um, you can look through the slides that I have printed out below, or you can watch the narrated PowerPoint that I have done above. That's your choice. When you get to the focus notes, again, this will be a YouTube documentary on the life of Ed Gein. And the essential questions that you'll actually, I have them in the wrong spot, so let me move them. The essential questions here that you should be attempting to answer on this will be the following. Since they only diagnosed him with paranoid schizophrenia at the time, and remember this was in the 40s and 50s, would you also be able to see that he possibly had a personality disorder? And if he did, what was it? And would you also, based upon legal definitions of insanity, or would you classify him as sane or insane based upon the evidence that you collected here? And it is important that you get a lot of evidence from this video because you will need that evidence in the reflection to determine whether you would consider him to be competent, sane, what was his motive, and his signature. I think you'll have I think this one is pretty obvious. He had multiple signatures. And would you have given him an antisocial personality disorder? So when you're finished, of course, submit the checkpoint.